Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Just wanted to give you some an early update on the market. Before I start, you guys please continue to hit the like button. And if you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and make sure you check that notification bell. Never fall for spam in the comments section. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, and sell. Webull has a promotion that I'm going to talk about at the end. But Moo let me pick a stock to give to you guys free, and that is Lucid. By only clicking my link below, and you deposit $100, they're going to give you a free share of Lucid. All right? Hey, free money, and you guys know what we're doing with Moo. All right, let's get right into it. Let's talk about two extremely hot stock. You guys know I'm a fundamental guy here on the page. Josh is a technical guy. I like to stick to fundamentals. I encourage long-term investing in great companies, but today I'm going to talk about two hype stock because it's important for you guys to know. All right, so one of them is Mullen, which I talked about yesterday, right? So we could see that Mullen is up again today, another 11% today after being up like 50% yesterday. So if we go for the week, Mullen is up almost 57%, which is outstanding. Now let's talk about Mullen for a minute. We're gonna pull up the charts. We're gonna keep this one going. I do not believe in this zone. So we know that Mullen came out with a battery that gets 600 miles on a charge. So when I made the video yesterday, I wasn't telling people to start buying it. I was mostly making this for the bag holders, meaning the people that already had it, lost money in it. You need to be establishing a range-bound exit plan. All right, go.
Well, okay, I talk about this all the time, guys, about the shorting effect on these stocks and what happens when the shorters don't believe that there is more profit to be made going down. They have to close their position. Larry, I'm going to say that 50-60% up we have is purely related to the shorts closing positions and locking in their fabulous gains.
Yeah.
Now, what that's going to do is trigger the retail buyers to come back in thinking that it signals a reversal. Now, I actually do believe that there's still upside potential for Mullen, but the question is how much?
Yes.
That's what we want to get into. Let's look at the charts, Larry. Okay, so we had been operating, guys, for a long time on this downward supporting trend line, right? And what we always want to see is we want to get away from that downward supporting trend line, and we don't want it to continue to go down on that trend line. We want to see it begin to move sideways and consolidate, and that's what we've been in right now. We had this previous area of consolidation that it had a little pop, and from there, we got these bigger moves to the upside. Let's take a look real quick at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. And so this is really key for all of us to keep an eye on. So coming above this 50% mark, this means that the buyers are in control when it's in this zone. We've taken control away from the sellers, which are below the 50% mark. Now we need to see it stay in this zone. So this is a perfect example of where it stayed in the zone back here. It came above a few times, but eventually it came back and tested this. If we make some movement over the next couple of days and we come back and we test this zone and we stay above it, to me, that's really bullish, and I'm going to gain a lot more confidence in our Mullen trade, Larry.
Yeah. The SHIB.
Larry, we're not talking about SHIB today, are we?
Shiba Inu.
Oh, man, come on, folks. You've been asking for SHIB.
SHIB is a bad mother. Shut your mouth. All right, here we go. Let's look at SHIB. All right. Here we are with SHIB right now. You know what? Let's just go straight to your chart. I want to keep this one flying. Let's go straight into it.
We're going to go into what we need to look at, which is how far down we are from the top currently. We all have called it that we're in a bear market. Alts go back. Good alts, great alts, stable alts will go back 85 to 90%. But the meme coins, right, which do have community, they're not useless crap coins. They have community, they have ecosystems,
Right.
they have value. Those can go back to 95%. And lo and behold, we did see that come back into the 91% range. Right now, we're floating at about 87%. I'm going to tell you that we now have to recognize whenever we break a level, and we did break a level, guys, that 20-cent price range was a big level of accumulation. It had gone sideways there for quite a while, which simply means this, folks. If we consolidate and a lot of new buyers come in at the quad 10 or quad 11, they're all going to be taking profits at the quad 20. So if you're sitting and you're a bag holder, this is a little bag of money, Larry. If you're bag holding at 20 cents, you need to recognize that you are not in the place where you're going to be making profit. You are at best in the place where you're going to recover some of your money in the short term. I'm going to throw this, Larry, out. I don't know, your thoughts on this. I've said the same thing. I said it in the video that you and I did. If you own SHIB, that's fine. I own SHIB. I might own more SHIB than I should own, Larry.
Right.
Okay.
But understand the range bound that you're in. If you're still looking at videos from last year, then you shouldn't be following that advice. You have to stay current on what's happening. And then I want you to also talk about what's happening with the management.
Okay,
of
so
SHIB.
this is the biggest problem right now with SHIB. A lot of you guys might have already heard of it. Some of you didn't. But the the founder and creator of SHIB has just he's just exited the room. A lot of people are questioning whether this is potentially a soft rug pull. My confidence in SHIB this entire time has been in what an amazing marketer that gentleman has been.
Yes.
And the fact that I believed he was trying to build an ecosystem the way the Bored Ape Yacht Club community was working, right? I was thinking this guy's going to build just a cooler and cooler, bigger SHIB ecosystem, metaverse, the whole thing.
Right.
But all of a sudden he's exited. And Larry and I were talking before we did this video. Larry, it would be nothing for him with all the experience he has.
Baby SHIB.
To go down the road and make baby SHIB.
Baby SHIB. Do, 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 do.
So now, are we competing with him? Larry, the difference between 90% down and 95% down right now, roughly, is just, we're at around 11 to 12 cents, and the real next floor below this is 6 cents. So if we break the 11 cents, we're going down to 6, which means that if you've got $1,000 in SHIB right now, you can go down even to 500. If SHIB is going to do the things that we hope it to do, if the ecosystem gains new life, if other players come in and begin to build on it and build with it, then that money will work for us, and it will come back up to these levels in the next bull run.
I agree with you, and just let it rest. Go for those of you that just have SHIB and just have Doge and just have hype coins, this is the time for you to build solid plays that like stuff like NFTs are built on. Look at some of these ones. There's many of them. I have my favorites. You have your favorites. One is not better than the other. There's a lot of the look at the Ethereums, look at the Polygons, the Matics,
the Nears, the Algos,
the Links. Look at those and
get excited about the money that can be made in the next bull run with some of these projects.
With some of those projects that are more safe, that something like this is a little less likely, and even ADA, little less likely to happen, right? And so, hey, we're going to end it right there, man. I just wanted to come early, midday, and let you guys know about what's going on here. We'll keep you informed. That's all we could do. We can't tell the market what to do. We have to be reactive sometimes and then prepare for what's next. Now,
one thing.
Yes.
In the comment section, first of all, hit that like, show Larry the love. Put a comment in the comment section, but just don't say, do another review of SHIB.
Yeah, we're not doing it.
You got one.
We got it. Hey, you guys, make sure you guys click those links below. You got to download them both. They allowed me to pick Lucid to give you free just by depositing $100 into Mumu. Click the link below, deposit it only on my link that you get this free share of Lucid, mine and Josh now. So we're thankful for the guys at Mumu, and then also Webull, 1 penny up to $12,600, 6 free stock. Right, at a minimum, you're going to get $36 for a minimum.
I'm so sorry to interrupt.
Go ahead.
Everybody's excited.
See that? He interrupted.
On your own
trying to
show,
talk to
when you-
y'all, and he keeps interrupting me. That's a joke.
You know, okay.
Inside joke. Go ahead.
I don't want to take your time. Coinbase. You know, people open up a Coinbase. It's free, and then they're able to earn, small amounts of crypto. Right, $5-10. Okay,
Right.
and everybody's excited about that. But that, you know what? You can open up one of these Webull or Moomoo accounts, and you're guaranteed so much money that they're starting you off. If your wife doesn't have an account, if your kids don't have an account, get them started.
And get them their own accounts, right? Because that's a whole nother thing. I was talking to a mortuary friend of ours. He says the biggest problem is people open up these accounts, have them in their names, they die, their passcodes are gone, kids don't know, now they have to have a GoFundMe when they have all of this money, right?
Yeah.
And they should just open up their kids, their own accounts, and put money, invest into your kids, put money into their accounts also. Hey, we're going to leave it right there, good people. We didn't do Technical Tuesdays. There's a lot going on. So I'm going to steal from his page. This is Wall Street Wednesdays on Stock Up with Larry Jones. All right, good people. Hey, have a blessed one. And we're going to see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh.
Hey, thanks for letting us be part of your financial journey.
And learn. Peace.